Hi children, welcome to our English class. Okay children, what did you see in last class? Yes, in last class you learned about the concept connection. The topic is countable noun and uncountable nouns. The topic is countable noun and uncountable nouns. Okay children, and today you are going to write some workbook questions. Okay children, are you ready to write? Super. Now it's time for prayer. Okay children, sit straight, close your eyes, sit straight and close your eyes. Now I'm going to sing the prayer song. Students, listen and pray the God. Okay children, close your eyes. Om Asatoma Satgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityoma Amritam Amaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Okay children, slowly breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Now slowly open your eyes, open your eyes, sit straight. Okay children, now let's move on to our topic. Students, please all of you take your workbook. Please take your workbook part 1 and take page number 6 in your workbook. Be ready with your pencil. Students, please all of you take your workbook and take page number 6. Okay children. Once you're done, so thumbs up. Once you're done, so thumbs up. Okay children? Good. Okay children, now you are going to write some classwork. Are you ready? Okay children. Students, please all of you close your eyes and think the story, The Tale of Peter Rabbit. Just recall yourself the story, The Tale of Peter Rabbit. I give a 1 minute time for you. So please recall the story. Just think. 1 minute time. Just think. Close your eyes and think. Okay children, your time is over. Now, children, are you ready to write? So thumbs up. Good. Okay. See page number 6 in your workbook and see the fourth question. Was Peter Rabbit a naughty? Was Peter a naughty rabbit? What were some of the things he did? Was Peter a naughty rabbit? What were some of the things he did? Children, do you think Peter is a naughty rabbit? Yes. Right and What were some of the things he did? Yes, for example, he did not obey his mother's words and he went to Mr. McGregor's garden and he spoiling his plants. Okay, so right, was Peter a naughty rabbit? What were some of the things he did? Right, once you're done, show thumbs up or say bingo. Okay, children, fast. Okay, children, see the fifth question. What did Peter Rabbit lose in Mr. McGregor's garden and how? What did Peter Rabbit lose in Mr. McGregor's garden and how? What he lost? Mr. McGregor's garden. And how? Right. Just think and write. Fast. Once you're done, say bingo. Write fast, students. I hope you all done these questions. Shall we move to the next one? See the sixth question. How did Peter Rabbit feel when he came from Mr. McGregor's garden? How did Peter Rabbit feel when he came from Mr. McGregor's garden? Just write. What did Peter Rabbit feel when he came from his McGregor's garden? What did Peter Rabbit feel when he came from Mr. McGregor's garden? Right. What he feel? What did he feel? What did he feel? Right. Write the reason. Children, see the last question. Why did Peter Rabbit fall sick? Why did Peter Rabbit fall sick? Write the reason. Why Peter Rabbit fall sick? Right. Why did Peter Rabbit fall sick? Write the reason. Why he fallen sick? Right. Okay, children. I hope you all done these questions. Okay, children. Shall we move to the next one? Okay. Now turn your next page and see page number 8. Turn your next page and see page number 8 in your workbook. Children, now I am going to read the story, The Tale of Peter Rabbit. Now fill in the summary using the words given in the help box. Okay, children. Now I am going to read the summary of the story, and children, you have to find and write suitable words from this box. Okay, children? Good. Okay, listen. One day, Mother left and Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter at home and went to buy dash from the market. What she bought from the market? Yes, bread and buns. Right. And see the next line. She told everyone that they should go and play in the fields, but ordered them not to go to dash. Where? Yes, Mr. McGregor's garden, but ordered them not to go to Mr. McGregor's garden. Yes, right. See the next one. Peter was very naughty and went to Mr. McGregor's garden. He dashed under the gate and started eating vegetables. What was he doing there? Yes, he squeezed under the gate and started eating vegetables. Squeezed. And see the next line. Peter first ate some dash, then some French beans, and then he ate dash. Peter first ate some what? What he ate? First ate some lettuce and then some French beans and then he ate radishes. Right. And see the next line. While he was eating carrots, Mr. McGregor saw him and looked at him angrily. Yes, angrily. And right. Peter ran. Mr. McGregor was behind Peter. He was calling Peter a dash. What he was calling Peter? A thief. And see the next one. Peter ran all over the garden. He also lost his dash. What he lost? His shoes. Right. Suddenly, Peter was caught in a net and his blue jacket was caught in it. Finally, Peter became free and jumped into a... Where he jumped? Yes, a can of water. Right, can of water. And see the next one. Mr. McGregor tried to catch him, but Peter jumped off the window. Peter reached home dash. Peter reached home tired. As he was not feeling well, mother gave him a bit of medicine. Students, have you all completed this? Shall we move to the next one? Good. Children, please turn your book and take page number 10. Turn your next page and see page number 10 in your workbook and see MCQ questions. Choose the correct option. Okay children, now I am going to read these questions. You have to find and write correct answers. Okay? Okay. See the first one. There were dash little rabbits. 3, 4, 5. 4. Yes. See the next one. Mother rabbit asked the little rabbits not to go to dash. Mr. McGregor's garden. Right. Very good. And see the third one. Peter Rabbit felt sick after eating dash food in Mr. McGregor's garden. A lot of food. See the fourth one. Just tick it, students. Peter Rabbit got stuck in the dash placed on the ground. Net. Right. To make countable nouns plural, we can use S, ES and IES. Using these words, we can make plural form. See the sixth one. The plural form of carrot is carrots. Carrots. Yes, carrots. B. Option B. And see the seventh one. Countable nouns have a dash. Singular form, only plural form, and singular and plural form. Yes, countable nouns have a singular and plural form. We must use dash with singular countable nouns. We must use a or an with singular countable nouns. See the ninth one. The quantity of uncountable nouns can be expressed with words like a few and much. Good. See the last one. Peter Rabbit ate dash in Mr. McGregor's garden. Lettuce, carrots and radishes. Lettuces, carrots and radishes. I hope you all did well. Okay children, now your class work is over. Now it's time for homework, and today's homework is complete page number 7 and 9 in your workbook. Okay children, listen. See the 8th question. Put the words in the box in correct columns in the table given. Here have some words. Students, you can find and write countable nouns and uncountable nouns in separate columns, and you can make these nouns plural. You can add ears, ears and iers to make these nouns plural. Clear children? Okay. See the next one. Complete the recipes for healthy sandwich. Fill in the blanks from the words in the box. Children, just read these sentences and you have to find and write suitable words from this box. Okay children? Okay. Have you all understood? I hope you all understood. Okay children. Thank you. Stay safe and stay home. Thanks for watching this video. Stay safe and stay home. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.